The 2027 Mercedes AMG GT four-door is a complete electric revolution for AMG. The legendary V8 is gone, replaced by a powerful triple-motor EV setup with two rear motors and one front motor. The top GT63 model produces an incredible 1,153 horsepower, while the GT55 delivers 802 horsepower. Mercedes claims the GT63 can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.0 seconds, with a top speed of 186 miles per hour. Built using aluminum, steel, and fiber-reinforced composites, the new AMG GT is designed to stay lightweight, rigid, and extremely fast. The car also features ultra-fast 600-kilowatt charging, futuristic styling, advanced aerodynamics, and a luxury high-tech interior filled with digital screens and AMG performance technology. With this level of power and speed, the new AMG GT four-door is ready to compete with EV giants like the Porsche Taycan Turbo GT and Lucid Air Sapphire, proving AMG's electric future is faster and more aggressive than ever before.